baby. Hey guys, it's Charlie. It's a beautiful day. I realized I didn't say it in the last video, so I thought I'd throw it in there. But I just wanted to share with you guys a little bit of my feelings of when I left California. I felt so drowned and overwhelmed with life. I felt like I didn't have any safe spaces to just exist. And sometimes we need that. I had started out happily living in my car, but as the pandemic progressed and as the Black Lives Matter movement and everything arose, I started to feel more and more unsafe in my car and feeling unsafe in my surroundings. Being able to live peacefully as a Black person in the US is already hard, but being in the middle of a pandemic with people being super vigilant and hyper reactive to just the Black existence became so overwhelming for me. I had started out the year with a little bit of direction. I got an opportunity that I am so excited about, but unfortunately, it's on hold because of the pandemic. I thought that maybe for once I could have some normalcy and peace and be able to just exist and breathe for a bit, but unfortunately, I had to take things into my own hands and accept that no one is going to save me but myself. So I had to pick up my bags and try and find peace in whatever way I know how, and the only way that I know how has always been on the road. Being in my car once again brought me joy. It brought me a sense of purpose. I have always found ways to find safe spaces anywhere in the world and to be able to come back to my car and to be grateful to be able to make use of such a small space has been a great joy for me. Don't get me wrong, hopping on the road didn't take away all the fears I had of bumping into the wrong person. Even in my struggles, even in my difficult moments when I feel so alone and like I have no space to be completely myself, I still feel so grateful and I still see my privilege. It's okay to cry when you need to cry, and it's okay to feel joy, even in this pandemic with so much loss. I hope someone can use their words to help lift the weight of existing in a chaotic world off your shoulders. If no one has, I want to tell you that just your existence alone is not only enough, but it is beautiful. Your effort is enough. Existing is enough. You can rest here, and this is a safe space. And I really appreciate the people who have made safe spaces for me along my journey. And I especially am grateful for this BIPOC camping kit that was gifted to me. I was expressing that I really want to go camping and do a lot of camping. I was so grateful when one of her friends forwarded her this BIPOC camping kit kind of fund, and so I've shared it on my Instagram if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, but I will share the link in the description box if you guys want to donate to this Black, Indigenous, people of color camping kit fund. I think it's a really cool idea. The person who started it was only planning to do a couple of kits, like just like a handful, but this turned into a major fund, and they have been able to send out hundreds of camping kits, which is amazing. So I'm really grateful to have received mine, and I'm gonna open it for you guys. So when the person started this, they were reflecting on how important camping was in their childhood and how much of an important role it played even to this day in their way of life. And so they wanted to kind of give back in a way, and also recognizing how white camping is, and camping in certain areas can be very white, but it's not just because of the areas, it's also because access to camping kits can be expensive. So I thought this was an amazing idea. So if you guys want to donate, I'll put the link in the description box. But yeah, you guys can watch me unbox this as I drive from California to Arizona. Oh my gosh. These are, I think these are the sleeping bags. Oh my gosh, how exciting. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's so many mice running across the streets. I knew I would probably like run into a deer or something, but so far it's mice. And oh, there's another one. Oh, it was a baby. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I really have been waiting to go camping, and I've been waiting on this camping kit to arrive, so I'm excited. And there are 2 sleeping bags. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys. I don't know if they're taking any requests right now for camping kits, but if you have the means to donate, please do so, because it'll make a big difference in someone's life like mine. I really appreciate it. Oh my gosh, this box is so big. Okay, it comes with 2 of these cup holders. Next adventure. Next adventure. 4-mode LED headlamp. Ooh. Oh, these are some headlamps. Next adventure. Stickers. Ooh. Yay, I got a tent. I'm so excited. I hope it's not too hard to put up. It sleeps 2 people. So it says setup time under 5 minutes. So I have to multiply that by like 5 for me. I'm so excited. I've actually built one before when I was in Vietnam, and I was by myself in the dark. So I think I should be able to do this. Colorado River. This is where I slept in Arizona. You can even hear the hot wind. It was so hot. This is also where I had my first therapy session with my new therapist, so yay. And I also decided to leave a little treat for the little birdies wherever I stay, so that's a gift to the creatures. Thank you so much to those of you who have chosen to support my channel either through Patreon, Cash App, or my Venmo. Thank you guys so much. All my links are in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!